What a beautiful day. Well, let's see what I've done today because I'm really bored. But I'm the first one here. Let me see my homework. A boring book, a Babysitter's Club book. Let's see. I brought my name tag. A birthday note from my best friend Jaslyn. Let's read it. Let's read the note. So, here goes the first note. She gave me 2 notes. I got the first note. This is what the picture is. So let me read it to you. My friend is sad. I threw a surprise party for my friend is because she is my friend. And a lot of our friends came over and we had cupcakes and cake on the table. And we had balloons. The end. So this one was very easy. And this one is just a picture of something. Yeah, this one is a picture from Jasmine too. It says after school. She's supposed to do this. And this little thing is like a blueberry. But this is the cake that she's gonna have at her party. And to my cousin CJ, you're also gonna come to her party. CJ, yes, you're gonna come to her party. Because she wants you to. But, what a great note. Let's see. I think I brought some slime to school. Let me check. I'll also make this little tray. Wait, my slime! Let me put that right there. And then I'm gonna close my backpack. And also I got a Hello Kitty backpack. Let's play my slime because my teacher, she's not here right now. So she comes at 10:30. So right now it's not 10:30. Let's open it. So first we're gonna put one at a time. So here go my purple one. Let me put it back. This is my purple slime that I have. This is my purple slime. It is so great. You gotta stick to this wire. Well, now let's take the other one out. Well, let me put this one right in here softly. Actually, I'm going to stick this back. And my teacher got a lot of stuffed animals over there. And she got some things over there. And then this is my last slime. It is so awesome. So this one is like really stretchy. I'm gonna take this one probably to my cousin's house. I mean to my auntie's house. I think I hear the teacher because it is 8:30 almost. Or 8:29.